Are you ready for some fun? Let's help your instructor create a monster quiz, and then we'll all play it. So what we'll do is your instructor will show you to click on the plus sign, and the instructor can make the lesson, and everyone can just follow along at this point. And what we'll do is we'll click on Start an Activity, and we're going to pick the monster quiz. Now, here's your chance. Your instructor will ask you for some multiple choice questions that we can make up here, and then we can play the game. So let me do my first one. Multiple choice, and I'll see what fraction is equal to 1/2. So we'll make some questions that have to do with your content. Make sure the green check, instructors, is on the correct answer. So I'm going to put 4/8 is the same. And then I'll just make up some other fractions. 1/3, 1/9, 7/20. Okay, so once I do that, I want to click on Add a Question, and you'll keep adding 5 questions. I'll add one more because it won't let me do it without at least 2 questions. Let's see. What state of matter keeps its shape? All right, so I'll put solid is correct answer. Liquid, gas. When I'm done typing all of the questions, I click Next. And I can edit at this point. I can also change the timer, but we're going to keep it how it is. I click Finish. And then I'm ready to play with the class. So let's give it a title. Practice. And I'm going to click Finish Editing. And once I finish editing, then I can play it. So just like in Nearpod, if I hover over it, I can either edit it again or start it. So let's start it. And everybody's going to pick up their phone or iPad, or they can even do it on the computer. And what they're going to do is they're going to go to hellosmart.com. And this is where your students are going to go. So I'm on my iPad here. Can't see it, but I'm going to go to HelloSmart and see if I can join the class. There we go. All right, so what I'm doing is I go to hellosmart.com. It's going to ask me for my class code. So I'm going to join a new class. The class ID number is 97030. So that's for mine. Your instructor will have a different code. And that actually will stay the same throughout the years. So I'm going to click Next on my iPad, join as a guest, and now you'll see on the left, see, my iPad is now logged onto the game. And from here, your instructor will just click Start for Class, and once everybody's logged in, it'll show all the people's names here. What's neat is if you have a whole class, when you can divide them up into teams. Unfortunately, I'm the only one playing the game right now, but if you have 10 kids, you could have 2 teams, or you could have 5 teams, however you want to do it. Then once you click, it should let you start the quiz, and from there, have fun.